from Australia? Alright, my name is Lola from 66 Tour and Travel. May I know who is the leader? Alright, thank you. I have some gift for you. This is welcoming gift for you from welcoming you to Jakarta City. May I place this around your neck? Okay, thank you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Yogyakarta City and welcome to Indonesia. Before we start our activity, let me introduce myself. My name is Lola Mijil Anissa from 66 Tour and Travel. You can call me Lola. And I will be your tour guide during your in Yogyakarta City. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, may I check your passport, please? Alright, and also I will give you the SIM card. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now I will attendance list first. Please raise your hand if I mention your name. Mrs. Anna, Miss Kila, Miss Lola. Alright, everyone is here, right? Now I will give you free time 30 minutes. But before you go, please collect your baggage here because I can collect your baggage to the bus. Now, if you want buy snacks, it's the right of Starbucks. If you want go to the toilet, on the left side. Enjoy your free time. Permisi Pak, bisa bantu saya membawa koper ini ke bus yang bertuliskan 66 Tour and Travel? Alright, free time is finished. Now, I will check your attendance list again. Please raise your hand if I mention your name. Mrs. Anna?
Yes, I'm here.
Mrs. Kila? Mrs. Lola? Alright. Now, we go to the bus. Please watch your step carefully. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the bus on the trip to Yogyakarta. Okay, let me introduce myself again. My name is Lola Mijil Anissa. You can call me Lola. I'd like to introduce our crew bus who will be with us today. Our driver, Mr. Budi, who has 10 years of experience and knows the roads in Yogyakarta very well. And we have driver assistant, Mr. Rizky, who will be helping us during the trip. Before we continue our journey, I'd like to remind you about safety on the bus. First, please remind to sit. Second, do not block emergency exit. You can also find glass breaker in the shape of hammer. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how was your flight? Okay. Today we will visit our first destination, Keraton Jogja, the royal palace and the cultural heart of Yogyakarta, where we can learn about Javanese history and traditions. After that, we will have lunch at Kandang Ingkung, a local famous restaurant. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now I will give you general information about Indonesia. Indonesia is a country with government system. Indonesia have 5 main islands, namely Jawa, Sumatra, Sulawesi, Kalimantan, and Papua. Indonesia led by President name is Prabowo Subianto and the Vice President is Mr. Gibran Rakabuming Raka. The currency of Indonesia is is rupiah. Ladies and gentlemen, now I will explain a little about Javanese culture. Yogyakarta, well known as a city of culture and traditions. One of the important culture values here is respect. Ladies and gentlemen, for the transportation in Yogyakarta, the commonly used public transportation includes Trans Jogja. Ladies and gentlemen, now I will explain a little about Javanese culture. Yogyakarta is well known as a city of culture and tradition. One of the important culture values here is respect. Ladies and gentlemen, for the transportation in Yogyakarta, the commonly used public transportation includes Trans Jogja, online transportation, and traditional transportation such as becak and andong, which you can still find around the city. Ladies and gentlemen, on your left side, you can see Tugu Yogyakarta, one of the main icons of the city. The monument symbolizes the unity between the people, the Sultan and God, and it is also a popular landmark and meeting point in Yogyakarta. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Malioboro Street. Malioboro is the most famous street in Yogyakarta and is well known as the center of shopping, culture, and local activities. This area has been an important part of Yogyakarta since the time of the Sultan and is always live both day and night. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I will explain a little about what you can find here. First, traditional souvenirs such as batik clothes, handcrafts, bags, sandals, and local accessories. Second, local street food where you can try traditional snacks and drinks from Yogyakarta. Third, local transportation such as becak and andong, which you can use during the street and are also one the icons of Malioboro. Malioboro is also a great place to experience the local atmosphere, interact with the local people, and take photos with the unique scenery. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, after this explanation, I will give you 30 minutes of free time. You may walk around, shop for a souvenir, take photos, or enjoy the atmosphere of Malioboro. Our meeting point will be at the main entrance area. Please remember the time and place. Enjoy your free time. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the free time is over. What do you think about Malioboro after walking around and exploring this area? Alright, everyone, now we will continue our journey. Please watch your step and follow me to the bus. Thank you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in about 5 minutes, we will arrive at our hotel. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the hotel. Please watch your step and make sure your luggage is not left behind. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Hotel Neo Malioboro. This hotel is located in the heart of Jakarta, very close to Malioboro Street, which is the most famous shopping and culture area in the city. This hotel offers comfortable facilities and a strategic location for exploring Yogyakarta. There is welcoming drink for you. Please enjoy your drink. Selamat sore, saya ingin check-in atas nama 66 Group. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention for a moment? I will now distribute your keys as well as your breakfast voucher.
Thank you.
Please check your room number on the key holder, and the Wi-Fi password is written on the back of the room key. Tomorrow's breakfast will start from 6 a.m. Before you go to your room, I would like to remind you of a few hotel rules. Please do not smoke inside the room. Smoking is only allowed in the designated smoking areas. Please do not refill drinks at the bar as there will be additional charges. You're welcome to use the hotel facilities such as Wi-Fi, swimming pool, and gym during your stay. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to inform you about our schedule for tomorrow. We will meet again tomorrow morning in the lobby hotel after breakfast. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your rest and have a pleasant evening. Goodbye.